In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a PDF file in your Skool community. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to upload a PDF so your members can easily access and download it. First, start by going to your Skool dashboard. This is the main home area you see after logging into your Skool account. Make sure you're in the correct community where you want to share the PDF, especially if you're part of multiple communities. Take a moment to confirm you're on the right page so your file ends up in the right place for the right people. Once you're in the correct community dashboard, look for the box or area that says Write Something. This is usually at the top of the community feed. Click on Write Something to open up the post composer. Think of this just like creating a regular post. You're simply going to add a PDF attachment to it. Inside the post composer, you'll see several icons. Look for the attach icon, which looks like a small paperclip. This is the button you'll use to attach files to your post. Go ahead and click on the paperclip icon. If you don't see it right away, check carefully around the text box area, as it might be near the bottom or on the side depending on your screen size. After clicking the attach icon, a window will pop up allowing you to browse files on your device. Navigate to the folder where your PDF is saved, select the PDF file you want to share, and confirm your choice. It's a good idea to double check that you're choosing the correct and final version of your PDF before attaching it, especially if you have multiple drafts with similar names. Once your PDF is attached, you'll see it appear in the post composer. Now, type in a clear and descriptive title at the top. Under the title, add some content explaining what the PDF is about, who it's for, and how members should use it. This context is helpful so people know why they should open or download the file. You can also include any important notes, like whether it's a worksheet, a guide, or a resource to follow along with a lesson. When you're happy with the title, description, and attached PDF, the final step is to publish it. Click on the Post button. Skool will upload your PDF and share the post in the community feed, making it available for your members to view and download.